It's my pleasure being here with you. I'm a teacher, I'm a counselor. Today I want to talk about our teenagers. Why do we need to have open discussion about personal hygiene with our teenagers? They're evolving, they are growing, and as a proper guide that you are, you need to have open conversation with them about certain things that are happening in their life. It's a period where these teenagers are evolving, and as they are evolving, a lot of changes is going on within and outside the body. So there is need for personal hygiene because there is increase of sweat during this teenage age. As they are transiting from their preteen to teenage age, there's going to be increase in sweating. This is as a result of hormonal changes going on in the body. And because these changes are going on, the body tends to adapt. So there will be increase of sweating. And once this increase of sweating happens, this sweat can happen in the heartbeat, sometimes their feet, and sometimes in the general body. And when there is increase of sweat, there is going to be increase of odor that comes out of the body. So you have to let your teenagers know that at certain age, you will sweat more. It's part of the teenage age. But you have to maintain good personal hygiene. You see it? When you observe good personal hygiene, it will make you to boost your self-confidence, make you to feel better, make you to love yourself. So have this communication with them so that when they start experiencing this kind of sweat, it will look abnormal. And they will know what to do to take care of their body. They will not feel embarrassed because they are always sweating and their clothes are always smelling. Give them tips on how they can manage this body. I will talk about what they can do to build their self-confidence as I go further. Then another thing is that skin changes. The skin become more oily during this period. That's why at teenage age, they seem to experience more acne in the face, in the chest. You start having some skin irritation. So at this period, you need to take care of your skin. Wash your face often, wash your hands often, use good moisturizers, take care of your body. What you take in and what you rub in your body is important. Eat healthily at this stage because what you consume will reflect in the skin. And then what you put in your skin should not be very harsh, should not be high chemical substances that want to bleach your skin, want to irritate your skin. They should be natural things that can take care of your skin. That is why you need good personal hygiene. Bathe often. Then another thing is for girls, personal hygiene is important during your menstrual period. This period, you need to be uh, clean in and out. Because if you don't take care of your body at this time, infection can set in. You can start producing some others that people around you may not want to perceive. So you can change your sanitary pad between 4 to 6 hours. Use cotton underwears. Try to avoid synthetic underwears because they can irritate your skin. You can feel very uncomfortable on it. Try to take your bath. Try to change your clothes. Okay? So during this menstrual period for girls, they should try as much as possible to take care of their health themselves in and out. Okay? Make sure you wash very well. And then self-esteem and self-confidence. You know, if you're not smelling well, there are some areas you may not want to go. If you perceive some odors that are coming out from your body, you may feel low self-esteem to meet some kind of people. But if you smell well, your your dental cleanliness is on point, every part of your body, is well cleaned up and you are smelling well, it boosts your self-confidence to go and socialize with people. So try as much as possible to take care of yourself. So what do you need to do? Bathe often. If you can do twice or thrice a day, try, so that the amount of sweat that comes out will be reduced. You must have washed out and you are smelling well. Then try to use good deodorant. Good deodorant. If you can get the natural ones, is good. If you can even get you can see ways you can use natural things to reduce odor coming out of your armpit and other sensitive body parts. It will be good. There are natural ways you can do that. So try and check out those who do DIYs, natural things to clean up. They can help you. Then skincare. Try to use mild moisturizers that will not irritate your skin. For the girls, change your sanitary pad between 4 to 6 hours. I've already said that. Stop using synthetic underwears during this time or any other time. Don't irritate your skin. Make sure your that area is well taken care of so that you don't contact infection because of lack of cleanliness than there. Then try to maintain good oral cleanliness. Your dental cleanliness should be on point. You can brush at least twice a day. Try to rinse your mouth with water or good mouthwash. All right, it will help you a lot. Then don't be too lazy washing your clothes. Don't be too lazy washing your clothes, because you're going to change your clothes as often as possible. Try and change your clothes. So parents, caregivers, please get more clothes for these teenagers. Let them not have just few clothes that they will fall back to. Now let them have to change their clothes from time to time, so that the effect of over sweating does not bring out smell somehow. So you change as much as possible. When you see you have sweated excessively, go take your bath and clean up. Change your clothes. Stop repeating clothes now and again without washing it. The clothes you wore yesterday, you've sweated on it, please wash it. You don't need to have the whole world. You don't have to have a full wardrobe. The few you have, make sure you are cleaning them. Wash them often. Okay, once you've used them and you know you sweated on them, wash them, hang them. The sun will do its job, and then you can put it on and you're looking fresh and clean. Then hand wash. Hand wash will help you to prevent infection, help you to take off bacteria, most especially those of us that touches our face often. Let us try as much as possible so that we wash our hands as often as possible. One thing you will do as a caregiver is have this communication with them, but respectfully. Don't come and start telling these young ones when they put on clothes and you see they are sweating and they are not smelling good, and you use that as an insult on them. It's break down their ego and it make them to feel awkward. So make sure that this discussion you have with them, it's already a discussion that you have without insult, without judgment. Remember that teenagers want to be talked to freely and they will accept. But if you use it as an insult, they will fight back. So let's have an open communication with them. So teenagers, please, when you have this discussion, listen as much as possible. Parents, caregivers, well-meaning adults, make sure you do that respectfully. They have their rights, they have their boundaries, they have their own way of communicating. So don't shut them off. Thank you for being with me. Follow us on this page if you're not following us. We have videos on consent and every other thing that has to do with sex education. We post that content every day. We have posts, blogs that you can read. So keep following us. Read, keep reading, keep watching. It will help to better your tutu you. I'll see you in the next.